Hello there, Raj from Refined here, and I have a question for you. Have you ever been part of a project involving multiple teams, both technical and non-technical, and find yourself having difficulty finding relevant information about that project? You find yourself jumping back and forth across different platforms and different sources of information, trying to figure out what you need to do and where everybody else is at? I've got a solution for you. Enter Refined. I'll give you a quick demo of how Refine can be used to bring some clarity to a project that spans across different teams and functions. The example we're using here is a website launch, and we're using a Jira Work Management project and a Confluence space for this. On such a project, we've got the devs on board who are taking care of writing and implementing the code. We've got the design team taking care of the UX and visuals, marketing who's working on the content, the promotion and analytics, as well as test, making sure that everything works as expected. Each of these user groups has different levels of savviness on Jira and Confluence, and the challenge is to find a way to allow the non-Jira savvy folks, as well as the decision makers who might be overseeing the project, a quick and easy to set up solution to make the Jira content actionable and accessible. What we've done here is to create a one-off site for the purpose of bringing clarity and transparency to this project. And here in the site builder, we've included both the space and the project to the site, but we have chosen to not show these in the navigation menu. We've then gone ahead and added in some extra pages, one for each area of work, splitting the content from the project and the space on these landing pages. Let's see what this then looks like. On the main landing page of the site, we've set up some modules, which are the building blocks used to create landing pages on Refined sites. As mentioned, the modules are using content from the single space and the Jira project. We have some quick links here that take you to Confluence pages with the project plan. We've got a search bar that lets you search the space and the project for issues and pages. And then we've also got a Jira Issues module that's been configured using JQL to show the logged in users open issues so they can quickly access these and start to work on them. If we scroll down even further, we have another Jira Issues module, which has been filtered down with JQL to show the list of epics in the project. And on the right-hand side, we've got a Pages module, pulling pages from the Confluence space to give you an overview of the documentation in regards to the project. I can use this to navigate to a page. And then I get to the page in Refined, and I get an overview of the launch plan as per what the page has been set up in Confluence. If we scroll further down on this, we've also added a Jira macro in Confluence, and this shows us a list of the epics. And if I'm using Refined for Jira, which I am in this example, I can click on these to get the issue view in the Refined context. Next, in the top navigation, you can see the different pages that we added in the site builder. And if I go ahead and open the design page, you can see here that we have similar modules as the main site home, but these are now more specific to that area of work. So this has been achieved using parameters on the different modules, filtering out content using JQL and CQL. So here what we've got is a quick link to the design guide, which is a Confluence page. And then we've got a list of the current logged in users open design issues. And further down, we've got two more Jira Issues modules, one filtering down on the open design issues and one on completed design issues. So someone can come here to get a total overview of what's happening in regards to the design aspect of this project. So finally, I'll show you how to work on an issue from the Refined view. So under my avatar menu, I can get a list of issues assigned to me. And if we take this first one here, I can then transition this and work on it depending on my permissions in Jira, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and add a comment. And I'll also go ahead and close this as done. So there you have it, a quick overview of a simple solution for making content actionable, accessible, and clear for different stakeholders in an easy-to-use format. I hope this demo has been useful for you. Feel free to reach out to us at any time should you have any questions for us. And in the meantime, as we say in Sweden, skål!